Scene 6, take 4, A, B cam, Mark.
Okay, David Spade saved a pal's life. Anna Wintour seemed to stun Rihanna during a recent Q&A. Oh, this is good, page 6. Good morning, I'm Cassandra Grey, and this is the first episode. This is the premiere. Okay, should I do that again? What do you think?
Do it again and then introduce Hope the next time. Really,
A speed?
just make it your own.
Okay. Scene 1,
Should've
take
had a
3,
slumber
A
party.
cam, Mark.
This is episode 1 of Beauty in Bed, where we talk about beauty in bed with experts and founders and celebrities. And today, joining me is my very good friend, Hope Smith.
I'm.
Who is it?
Hi. Are you getting it? This is Miss Smith and Mrs. Gray. I'm Hope Smith, and I'm the founder of Mutha Body Butter and Mutha Body Oil.
Tell us about why you developed it. Tell us your whole story.
When I became pregnant 5 years ago, I was really concerned about stretch marks. So I have a girlfriend who is a makeup artist, and she said, you have to order the huge thing of La Mer. You put it on twice a day, and at night, during that part of the routine, you have to keep cellophane or saran wrap in your bathroom, and you have to wrap yourself so that it really melts into the skin. I even wrapped my thighs because I'm like, everything's gonna get bigger because you're pregnant. So I went all in. The first night I was so committed. I put biker shorts on because I couldn't get the saran wrap to stick. I remember, and I was like, how am I gonna do this 9 months? I ended up pulling it off in the night because I was so uncomfortable. I woke up the next morning and immediately I started looking at, okay, what's in La Mer that I can make and try to figure out. I started just researching all these raw ingredients in plants and deciding what was high in a certain fatty acid or what was high in linoleic acid. It's a good thing that I don't cook much because my kitchen was a science lab. That's all we did that summer. I started researching on using a double boiler. I didn't want to heat any of my butters or oils over a certain degree because I didn't want them to lose the effectiveness.
So you just found all of these
I found
sort
all
of
this information.
tips and tricks and recipes online, and then you started experimenting.
The formula would end up in my KitchenAid. It would solidify.
It all started with a KitchenAid.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. We are hungry.
hungry?
Oh, are you hungry? Great. Ooh. So did you get that on camera? Because that's good production value. This is a beauty in bed, which means you get to eat. And we're here at the Mercer Hotel in New York City, and they have waffles on the menu, which I love. Okay, so 1,000 batches later, you have this product.
I was using it, and then I would put on my Instagram that I was in the kitchen just making it, and I would have women comment like crazy saying, I need some of that. Can you get me some? I want to buy some. I'd send it to girlfriends, and they'd be pregnant. They'd have their baby, and then their best friend or someone they know that they're close to was pregnant, and they would want to share that with them. And so I would get a DM or a text, and I'd be on vacation, and I'd be like, can I get this butter for so-and-so? She's pregnant. I probably found out who was pregnant before anybody else, maybe before the spouses for a long time. Seriously. So
you
I would
had
be on
demand.
vacation, and I'd have to go home and make this and order raw ingredients and make it. And I don't really have time to just be supplying the world with body butter because it was very time consuming. And so my husband was still using it. He'd say,
oh, so it's not just for women that are pregnant.
Mutha isn't just for pregnant women. My husband uses it every time he showers. He has to have it.
So it is inclusive. It's genderless.
It is.
All ages.
It is. Yeah.
It's just a great body cream. It's very moisturizing. Ooh, it's like butter.
It is butter.
Isn't
Melts
it gorgeous?
like butter.
Melts like butter.
Hardens like butter.
Not too greasy. It's not oily. You don't feel like you have to wash your hands after. Oh, it smells really good, but not too fragrant. Mutha. There's a body butter, and then there's an oil. What's the difference?
The oil is a little bit quicker. It's really, really high in rosehip. It's very firming. It can fade pigmentation. But really, I wanted this one for firming because after your skin stretches and it comes back and it stretches again, you're losing elasticity. So that is why I created the oil.
Oh, yeah.
See how orange it is? That is because rosehips are number one ingredient, and organic rosehip is really, really potent and orange.
And expensive.
Yeah, it's expensive to put your great and best ingredients first. It had to be the best.
And it is the best. Oh.
Yeah.
But how much does it cost?
This is $104.
Okay.
Our body oil is 104 and our body butter is 95. It lasts a long time.
And so now all of your
amazing.
friends and all of your friends' friends and all of the people that have heard about this product that you made in your kitchen, now they can buy it.
Yeah.
They can buy it at violetgrey.com.
Mutha at Violet Grey.
Mutha. Also a ring holder. Beautiful packaging. I think it's maybe violet appropriately.
This is
We love it. Okay, I'm going to need a little bit of lipstick for this. What is the last thing that you do before you go to sleep?
plug in my phone.
So what do you do on your phone?
Set my alarm. I check next day's schedule and then plug it in.
If you could be anything, what would you be?
I'd be a mother.
What is the best bed you've ever slept in?
There's a hotel in Tokyo that has the bed that I just ordered. 2 king-size Tempur-Pedics put into one. It's the biggest bed
Double
you don't
king.
even know anybody
Double
else
king.
is in the bed. Yeah, it's a double king, and it's all one mattress. We have these beds ordered because we were obsessed. In and
Okay,
out,
so but
yes.
when you're sleeping, are you on one side and he's on the other side, or do you cuddle?
I think
or
we
then you go
meet at first, and then we separate.
move. This was a mattress that you found in Tokyo?
In Tokyo.
Do you work in bed sometimes all
Yeah.
day? So
I
do I.
love that.
I love it. What else do you do in bed?
I prefer to do everything from bed.
I could stay in bed all day. That's why I made this show in bed. It's so convenient. But I have to get out of this bed because it's not my bed, actually. We just rented this bed for the day, for this show, for the first episode of Beauty in Bed with Violet Grey. Thanks for joining us.
Bye. Thanks for watching.
Very nice. All right, great.
All right, cut.
Cut?
Cut.